Okay, y'all, this is the final product and it's super cute. I love it. This is what it looks like. So, these are Curlsqueen clip-ins. I got hair dye on the back, but this is a 10-month update. I had these clip-ins for 10 months. Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel and I'm back with another hair tutorial. This will be Fulani type hairstyle with braids. With clip-ins in the back. So this is my hair now. It's very dry, but I'm not gonna wash it. Not gonna wash it or anything. And then do the same thing to the other section. And then into the thick of it.
Look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, yeah, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and down, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you.
So I just used one bobby pin and took it. I'm doing it like this in the front. Really simple, really cute. So now let's put out the front.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
One, two, three, four, five on this part instead of three like the picture, but everybody head shape different. So yeah, you just gotta do what you gotta do. So I washed the ends, and now I'm gonna take some of it. Ooh. So these are Curlsqueen clip-ins. I got hair dye on the bag, but this is a 10-month update. I had these clip-ins for 10 months. These are the clip-ins. I already washed and conditioned them. So yeah, so start with the clip in the bag. And I'm gonna try to do it under the kitchen.
so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to give. Lately, I've been a little failed. Yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games.
And this is basically what you get. Super cute, but I'm about to define it in a second. We use mousse for the edges. This is how my edges look. And this is the finished product for now. I'm gonna wait till it dries to show y'all the final look, and then I'm gonna try a half up, like a little half up hairstyle and do with the braids in the front. So yeah. Okay, y'all, this is the final product and it's super cute. I love it. This is what it looks like. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Love, 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 love. Love. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The hair will be linked down below. And yes, this is what it looks like after having these for 10 months. I used all of them. So super full in the bag. And yeah. Mwah. Love y'all.